so that they will see how resilient Baccalaureates are, and with that, they will do have realizations and saying to themselves, it is true, Baccalaureates really are resilient.
Okay, that was really inviting. Thank you so much. Let's now have Anna of Guagua.
Good evening po. Ako po yung Shari. Pagmaragul kaya po ka namin kaya kaming taon, Guagua. Kaya pong pinakamagaling amandukit. Kung buriya pong akin, kung makanala kagaling na yung taga-Guagua mandukit. Akit kaya po karang simbahan, lalo na po yung Betis, simbahan ng Betis. Akit yung po ka rin kung makanala po kagaling gawang santo, then pong furnitures ka rin. Tsaka po, then gitara po king. San Anton po. Promote ko po ito. Try pong bumisita king Betis, king Guagua. Tsaka po pagmaragul ko po ito. Kasi po ipapa ko po, meto niya po ka rin, pinakamagaling mandukit king Guagua.
Alright, thank you so much. Let's now have Sal of Araya.
Good evening. How are we going to promote Arayat? First, I'm going to promote Arayat through the use of its natural resources, or what we call the Mount Arayat. Second, I'm going to promote it through the use of the people of Arayat, for they are known for their humor characteristics of being hospitable. And lastly, as we all know people, Arayat is the majestic and legendary town of Kapampangan. Thank you.
Alright, that was indeed a promotion. Let's have Camille of Porac.
Good evening. Porac is also known as the land of quarry, gravel and sand. We are very proud of having this. Because of this, Porac is became a very popular town. And we are also proud that we have the best casavas, and we are so blessed that we have the best agriculture here in Kapampangan. And we are thankful that we are, and if I'd be given a chance as a representative of Porac, I will just promote our town as there's a saying that promoting your own town is tangkiligin ang sariling atin. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Let's now have Princess of Mabalacan.
Hello, good evening to everyone, to the judges and to the press. Well, honestly speaking, if there be this one thing that would cross my mind to make me proud of my municipality, Mabalacan, is the magnificent and most beautiful Balacan trees. Well, as you all know, if you would enter the town of Mabalacan, there will be this beautiful and nice trees around, and my responsibility as a Miss Mabalacan is to promote this Balacan trees, because as a Miss Mabalacan, it is my responsibility to not support